Let's explore how artificial intelligence transforms creative tasks like writing, art, and music through three powerful concepts. AI helps us write stories, design art, and compose music, opening up exciting creative possibilities. Style, voice, and creative direction work together to shape AI results into something meaningful. First, let's understand style and how it shapes creative work. Style is the special way something is written or created, that distinctive look and feel. Word choice, sentence length, and tone combine to create your unique style. Think casual style for texting friends versus formal style for school essays. AI's style depends directly on its training data. News articles create formal output, stories create imaginative results. Now let's explore voice, the personality behind the work. Voice is the personality or character that shines through in any creative piece. A serious voice scores high on formality at 8, while a playful voice stays relaxed at 3. Kids' stories need warm voices, while science reports require clear, precise ones. Creative direction brings everything together with purpose and vision. Creative direction contains your project vision, guiding the entire creative process. Start with your project goal, consider audience feelings, then explore your themes. A climate poster combines serious style, urgent voice, and the goal to inspire action. Here's how to integrate style, voice, and direction effectively. Pick your style first, set the voice next, then give clear creative direction. A bedtime story needs simple style, warm voice, and that safe, cozy feeling. Coherence and unity make AI creations feel natural and complete. A funny story clashes with serious style. They just don't work together. Clear feedback and prompt adjustments help you achieve consistent, polished work. AI creativity is evolving rapidly, creating new opportunities every day. AI evolution brings better style matching, improved voice control, and enhanced personal expression. AI art can now mirror an artist's personal style with remarkable accuracy. AI is transforming from a simple creative tool into a true creative partner. Let's look at real examples of AI creativity in action. A storytelling project uses imaginative style, adventurous voice, and creates magical worlds. Music creation combines electronic beats, energetic voice, and dance inspiration. An art poster uses bold colors, inspiring voice, and raises ocean awareness. Social posts blend casual style, funny voice, and friend connection for engagement. Let's review the key insights about AI and creativity. Style, voice, and direction form the core concepts guiding AI creative work. When style, voice, and direction unite harmoniously, AI produces natural, meaningful output. Clear prompts unlock AI partnership, creative expression, and endless innovation.